My name is Brian Moody. I'm the Executive Director of Tuscola Economic Development and want to welcome you to Douglas County and Tuscola today. Thank you for taking the time to make the trip through our community. As you come into Tuscola on the west side, you'll see a rather vast industrial complex that we've had here in the area for over 50 years. One of the first facilities you'll cross is the Panhandle Trunk Line natural gas transmission stations. There are compressor stations that provide the pressure that move the gas through the lines. We have about 5 different transmission systems that intersect in Tuscola, running both east, west, and north and south. Most notably maybe being the Rockies Express, which was put in a few years ago and is actually a 42-inch diameter natural gas transmission line. The next thing you come to as you pass through there will be the Lyondell-Basell facility, which is about a 900-acre site, again, that's been in the Tuscola area since 1953. Lyondell is a producer of industrial alcohol. This alcohol is used in many end products that consumers use. Probably one of the most notable that you would be familiar with is Purell hand sanitizer. Next down the road is the Cabot Corporation. Cabot produces fumed silica and carbon black at the Tuscola location. Fumed silica is used as a feedstock for a variety of other products, including powder-coated paints, anything from spark plugs to pharmaceuticals. And carbon black is used as a toner or ink additive. So the toner that you use in a laser printer or a copier or your inkjet printer at home, those products are sourced through Cabot Corporation. As you continue a little further on to the area, you'll come across Cargill's facility at Tuscola. Cargill operates a rather large grain facility moving over 11 million bushels of grain annually. The company just recently completed a $6 million rail loop expansion project, which will now give them access to all 3 mainline railroads which intersect at Tuscola. The Canadian National, CSX, and Union Pacific railroads all intersect at Tuscola. The existence of that railroad, the existence of our transportation infrastructure, the existence of the natural gas infrastructure in the area has drawn a number of companies to the area over recent years. And currently we're one of 2 finalists nationally for a $1.2 billion granular urea manufacturing facility. A company by the name of Cronus Chemicals is finishing a site selection process, and we're anticipating within the next 30 days that we'll get a final decision and hopefully be siting that project here at Tuscola. Obviously, that project would have huge benefits to our local farm economy. We would expect those products to be sold out within a 100-150 mile area, and really provide the opportunity to significantly reduce the transportation cost of fertilizer, which affects so many farmers in our area. Finally, one of the last industrial things I wanted to mention is the fact that Syngenta Seeds operates a large soybean seed production facility here at Tuscola. Syngenta obviously is an innovative global company that has engaged in a lot of research to increase productivity for their end clients and farmers. And also wanted to draw your attention to another innovative practice in our area. The city of Tuscola manages a wastewater treatment facility that uses field surface application. So we treat our wastewater, and then that wastewater is field applied to a 160-acre piece of land owned by the city. Traditionally, we have grown a crop of canary reed grass there, but over the past several years we have started to transition that crop into miscanthus. Miscanthus is a product that is a crop that is perennial and has the potential to be used as a bioenergy crop. And we have continued to work on those types of relationships, and we have also sold the miscanthus as a dry feed mix, as a product that can be mixed in with dry feed and used by area cattle and dairy farmers. That same site has led to another innovative practice by the city. We, several years ago, went after a wind turbine grant and constructed a 100 kilowatt turbine that now powers most of that facility during the day. Again, we're very appreciative of the fact that you decided to take some time and come through the Tuscola area, and we hope you will come back and visit us again sometime in the near future.